Finally, the last stage of our TigerTurf installation is the maintenance and aftercare program. It's vitally important to explain to end users the benefits of aftercare. Although artificial turf requires less maintenance than natural grass, it still involves a certain amount of work. This will include the removal of dry leaves and debris from the surface. This can be done with the use of a plastic fan rake or the garden leaf blower. The removal of this debris will ensure that your artificial lawn remains clear of any potential organic growth. TigerTurf is also extremely pet friendly. However, at times your pets will need to answer the call of nature. When this occurs, simply remove the matter and wash down the surface. In the case of any lingering odours, the surface can be cleaned with a pet-friendly product. This concludes our series of installation videos. If you have any queries, please contact TigerTurf directly. Thank you for watching.